Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
This is one of those ladies V-necks.
A ladies V-neck.
And
Got planned for it.
it's gonna be a spiral.
A spiral. We haven't just plain spiral with V-neck yet, have we?
No.
Didn't think so. And I think she might be doing a type of spiral that I've wanted to do for a while. Focusing on my love of grays and blues.
Oops. Lost my thumb. That's okay.
Lost a thumb?
Yeah, that's okay.
Thumb down, thumb down. Stand it up to the dyeing rack.
Okay, so on one side is gonna be the dragon fruit.
Dragon. We love the dragon fruit.
And here, we're just gonna leave that all. And lemon.
Lemon yellow. Dragon fruit, lemon yellow. More fruit from the dragon.
And then we're gonna finish it off with some glacier on this side.
Glacier blue. Glacier. The beautiful glacier, which creates the tricolor, wonderful blending pattern, creating nice blues and purples and greens.
Dragon fruit mixed with glacier makes like the best purple ever.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We've even thought about mixing like a bottle of dragon fruit glacier purple. I think we probably will in the near future.
Well, we actually have that color in a powder
We
that
do.
we could use.
Deep
It's-
purple.
No, grape.
Oh great, that's right.
We have a little thing of it. It's like we were gonna try it out, and then we just never got around to it.
Have I not mixed it yet?
I don't think we had enough bottles was the issue.
We do now.
Yeah, we do now. And then on the back, we're going to finish it off with Miss Gray.
Mist gray.
Yeah.
So, all told, on this one we have glacier blue, dragon fruit, lemon yellow, and mist gray. Classic tricolor with mist gray. One of our favorites.
And that should be it.
Good to go?
Good to go.
Look at that.
Ready, Freddy.
Yep. To the drying rack. Quick tie-dye today. Top shelf for a premium tie-dye where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.